Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webtex Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to turn off Instagram notification. I'm going to show you two way you can just hide or turn off your Instagram notification. So let's start with the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here I am on my Android phone. So let's start with the video. So let me open Instagram application. So this is first way, and second way I will show you the videos. So this is my Instagram account. If I want to hide some notification, I have to go in setting, just click on your profile photo and you will see your profile page here. Now go to the three line option and go to the settings. In setting, in the second option you will see the notification. Just tap on it. After that you will see you can pause all notification for a while. Just click on tab it and you can hide your own get push notification. You can off your notification up to 8 hours. But if I cancel it, so if I want to off all notification or particular notification, you have to select notification from here. So if you want to hide or stop notification of stories, comments, followers, just select, click on post and comments, and here you can off your likes notification. If someone like your comments or post, so you will not receive the notification or likes and comments or photo, anything you can off from here. Just tap on off and this that notification will be off permanently. So first photo stories, whatever first photos and stories you can off. Additional option in system settings, you can do it. Okay, so just come back after setting and you can select every option from here, like live videos. And if you want to off live videos, live uploads, live views, you can off from here and just come back. So from here you can also stop the email and SMS notification. Just tap on it and you can just feedback notification. This is email and SMS notification, you can off it. Okay, just tap and off the button. Okay, so now if I click on shopping, so from here you can account you follow, get notification account you follow, and new product in their shop. So you can also hide the shop notification from here. And in system, if you click on system, then this is system setting. I will show you manually. Okay, the second way, as I show you the system, go to the your settings, Android settings. Okay, or if you don't find the this process, then you can click on system setting, that it will be bring the same page. So go to the app and apps. Now find the Instagram application. In Instagram application you will see, okay, you will see this interface. Now go to the notification. In notification you will you can find the all your system notification. So also you can off all notification from here, and from here, or from here IGB recommendation video, whatever you want. So or if you want to some filter, make some filter, just on it and you can make filter from here. Okay, so if you want to hide only comments or likes, just hide it. Okay, or just come back. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.